Alright, y'all, HS Custom Audio Designs coming back at you with the latest on the Misty Blue box Chevy build. Just finished this console, got the Misty Blue. I'm waiting on wifey to make me some logos for there. Like I said, 2 cup holders, little push button action, 10-inch iPad screen, Chevy bow tie. Back in his sorry about that. Back in his hat rack, just put a little grill action back there, nothing crazy. And we added some lights. He wanted some lights in, so like I said, all the lights are controlled by the push button. There you go. Got the floating logo, floating Misty Blue. And trying to get it where, show you the hat rack. Hat rack is also lit up. Same thing on the other side. Not gonna show you his trunk because he's under construction. Actually about to go to get some body work done as soon as he leaves here. But yeah, see, you got the lights there, hideaways, floating bow tie on this side. Came out very, very clean look. Had to give him a little extra for his patience. But yeah, that's it. HS Custom Audio Designs. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Over and out. Peace.